the respective respondents in the remaining 8 appeals, claiming that they were appointed in the year 1995 as part-time cooks chowkidars in government hostels run by Social Welfare Department. They claim that their appointment orders were issued by the respective mess committee of the hostel where they were employed, that the state government was paying a fixed amount of rupees 600 per month in the form of aid to the concerned hostel mess committee, which in turn was being paid to them as remuneration. The state government issued an order dated 28/12/1998 stopping the practices of appointing class 4th employees on consolidated wages and to remove any person appointed on that basis. By subsequent circular dated 21/1/1999, the district social welfare officers were directed to remove part-time chowkidars, cooks employed by the department with effect from 1/2/1999 and replace them by ex-servicemen or widows of ex-servicemen. In view of the government directives, the respondents apprehended their services may be dispensed with. The respondents submitted that this court had earlier approved a scheme under which part-time cooks and chowkidars who were working as on 1/5/1995 were regularized, and that as they were all appointed subsequent to 1/5/1995 and were not therefore covered under the said scheme, a fresh scheme should be framed to benefit them. They therefore sought a declaration that the circulars dated 28/12/1998 and 1/2/1999 were invalid and a direction for regularization by framing an appropriate scheme similar to the scheme framed by the state government in pursuance of the order dated 26/5/1995 of the Rajasthan High Court. Para. In the first 7 appeals, a learned single judge, by a common order dated 7/5/2003, allowed the writ petitions. He held that the writ petitions working on the posts of superintendent, cooks, and chowkidars are entitled to salary on par with the salary which was paid to their counterparts holding similar costs in the hostels run by the Social Welfare Department of the state government with effect from the dates of their respective writ petitions. He also held that any attempt to terminate the services of employees working in the hostels on consolidated salary was unjust and illegal, and therefore the writ petitioners should be permitted to continue to work on the posts which they were holding as on the date of filing their respective writ petitions. He directed the state government to frame a scheme on the same lines in which the state government had earlier framed a scheme relating to part-time cooks and chowkidars who were serving as on 1/5/1995. He also quashed the orders dated 28/12/1998 and 21/1/1999 which directed chowkidars and cooks employed on consolidated wages should be removed with immediate effect from 1/2/1999 and should be replaced by ex-servicemen or widows of ex-servicemen. The scheme referred to by the learned single judge was the scheme which was framed by the state government in pursuance of the directions of the Rajasthan High Court in Anshkalin Samaj Kalyan Sangh Supra.